let me mention my dear sister Zodwa Mkaka. She actually went out of her way. She met me at the airport as I was leaving for Russia, St. Petersburg Economic Forum, and she said, Monica, my dear sister, please join us at this very special occasion. I'm very happy to say I respect her. And I made it a point. I arrived this evening from Russia, and I'm here because of Zodwa. She takes this thing very seriously. Our esteemed corporate partners, I see the mayor is here, the mayor of Harare, my good brother. I am very grateful you support the great things which are happening in your city. Our esteemed corporate partners, ladies and gentlemen, allow me at the outset to extend warm greetings and appreciation from His Excellency President Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, whose unwavering vision continues to guide our nation towards prosperity under his Vision 2030, a vision of an empowered upper middle income society. Tonight's event is not merely a pageant. It is a powerful platform of grace and beauty that speaks directly to sublime aspirations of our nation as outlined in NDS 2. This is emphasizing economic growth, youth empowerment, cultural promotion, and global engagement. We are Zimbabweans. Nyika inovakwa nevenevayo. Igotongwa nevenevayo. Igonamatirwa nevenevayo. The young women who are gracing this stage are more than contestants. They are ambassadors of Zimbabwe's rich heritage. The sane, the creative, and the resilient epitomizes the meeting point of beauty and youthful radiance from which comes the